We all plan for our finances to go a certain way, but when does anything really go according to your plan? For example, many people have individual retirement accounts, also known as IRAs, or even have a 401k. But how much do you know about your own IRA or 401k? Who helped you set it up? The person who hired you at your employer? An HR employee? Your colleague? A friend or family member? Are any of them an expert in finance? How confident are you trusting those people with your money? Do you even know where your money is being invested? Are your investments on track with your time horizon and economic changes? IRAs and 401ks were initially created as vehicles to save towards retirement. But now the reality is many people use them for income during retirement. In addition, from 2009 to 2021, we experienced the longest bull run of our market's history. However, beginning last year, things started shifting and we began to see a correction. Reality is, no one can predict the future. Are you prepared for your retirement? My name is Suren Ayrapetyan, and as your financial services professional, trust me when I say, don't leave your hard-earned money up to chance. Take action, learn more, and create your future now.